Kenner found his thumb today. Yay, thumb. Say yay, thumb. I got my little monster outfit on. Yeah, did you find your thumb today? You even were holding it the right way. You gotta find your thumb again. Where's your thumb? No, where's your thumb? Oh, someone's tired. Yawning. Mama's little monster.